Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you find your trades on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down here, you click here on trades down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then here can you find open trades you have, and here forex for forex. So then here stocks. So then like you see here, I have no trades yet. So but if you have it, it's going to show for you in this list here. That's all you have to do here to find your trades on your Olymptrade app. So that's all. I wish you a great thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.